Hi, I'm Sandra and I'm going to do my honest review on this Greenworks Pro 3000 Max. So my husband and I were looking for a pressure washer because it's springtime. We want to get everything cleaned up. We want to pressure wash our house, our lawnmower, our razor. I mean, the list goes on and on what you can clean with this. This one has a 3000 PSI, has a lot of pressure, which is really nice. The assembly was really quick and easy to put together for this. So with this pressure washer, you take your hose end and you hook it right here onto the pressure washer and it's ready to go. So here's the wand, has a little holder right here, which is really nice, stays intact. And this side over here has the hose that you can roll up, and then you take this end and connect it to the end of the wand. Really simple. And just like that. What's also really nice about this pressure washer is there is a soap holder. So this white clear thing at the bottom, you can put soap in, which is really nice. And so the soap will go through the wand and wash your house and call it good. This has a turbo nozzle. It has a soap nozzle. It has a 40-degree nozzle, 25-degree nozzle, and a 15-degree nozzle, which is awesome. So you can use it for different areas of what you're needing. And they sit right here in the washer so that they don't get lost, they don't get misplaced, which is really nice. And then here's the power button. So you push the power button like that and it turns on. There's a super long cord that you have so you can reach a long distance, whatever you're using it for. I 10 out of 10 recommend this pressure washer if you're looking for a pressure washer that has power and then can do its job. This one is the one to get.